The first trophy of the season is already here. The FA Community Shield is going to be played between Crystal Palace and Liverpool. Will Arne Slot get the second trophy under his belt? Will Oliver Glasner build on the FA Cup success of the last season? We are here to digest and unpack every little thing. So welcome back to my channel The Marching Reds. मैं हूं अमन चीमा और इस वीडियो में मैं प्रीव्यू करूंगा द गेम बिटवीन क्रिस्टल पैलेस एंड लिवरपूल फॉर द एफए कम्युनिटी शील्ड. सो लेट्स बिगिन. न्यूट्रल फैंस की बात करें तो कोई तो इसको मैच ही नहीं कंसिडर करते. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ऐसे फिक्सचर को तो स्क्रैप हो जाना चाहिए. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर मी. Me being a passionate Liverpool fan, I'll explain how am I approaching this particular fixture. Liverpool, the Premier League champions, on the back of spending almost nothing in the transfer window last year. हमें पता था कि ये particular transfer window जो इस साल अभी चल रही है is going to be a massive one for us to rebuild and reshape our squad. Lots of high-profile names have exited our team, whether it's Luis Diaz, Darwin Núñez is almost exiting. There are rumors about Harvey Elliott. Jarell Quansah has also exited. We've bought in some incredible players in Florian Wirtz, Hugo Ekitike, who has a lot of potential. Kirkes on the left back position, Frimpong on the right back position, maybe on the right wing position. So, इतने सारे changes हुए हैं within the squad जो कि last year हमको ये challenge नहीं face करना था cause the squad was already settled in. इस particular game में first of all I am expecting to see fresh energies. I'm already excited about to see the Liverpool team which I'm used to seeing for the last 8 months, having not seen them for the last 3 months. Now, the fact that I'm going to see Liverpool play the full 90 minutes and maybe a penalty shootout, I hope that's not the case. But the fact that Liverpool are playing, I'm already excited. Now, with those fresh faces coming in, I would love to see what is Arne Slot's first 11 going to be. Whether he starts with Wirtz either on the number 10 role or does he start from the left wing. तो प्लेइंग 11 मेरे हिसाब से क्या होनी चाहिए हम उसमें भी आएंगे. बट ओवरऑल बात करी जाए तो आई एम जस्ट एक्साइटेड टू सी माय टीम गेटिंग ऑन टू द पिच विद द न्यू एडिडास जर्सी एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू इट लुक्स रियली डोप ऑन देम. छोटा सा फ्लैशबैक करते हैं और दोनों टीमों का लास्ट वेम्बली ट्रिप के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. शुरुआत करते हैं क्रिस्टल पैलेस से. ऑफ कोर्स दे हैड द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट हैविंग वन द एफए कप, द सेलिब्रेशंस, द फैंस एंड वो सारे विजुअल्स देखना was just a treat to watch for a person like me who's not a Crystal Palace fan but who could relate with them having not won the trophy since years. Liverpool की बात करें तो of course it wasn't the most pleasant trip. We lost against Newcastle in the EFL Cup final 2-1 and yeah, that was a really down moment in that particular week, having already exited from the Champions League. But again, let bygones be bygones. The focus is now. Playing 11 की बात करें, I know Alisson has just flown back to the UK after visiting Brazil for personal reasons. So जो भी ज़्यादा match fit होगा between Alisson and Mamardashvili, he will start, which is not of a bigger question mark. The question marks will come as soon as we start discussing who is going to start further down the pitch. Centre backs, I think Virgil, he will start, of course, being the captain. Konate has to be the other centre back. Left back पे I would love to see Milos Kerkez. Right back पे I would start with Conor Bradley. There's a particular reason why. I'll explain it later. So these are my 4 players in the defense. Bradley, Konate, Van Dijk and Milos Kerkez. In the center defensive midfield position, I'll start with Gravenberch, who was the most improved player according to some from last year. अब सवाल ये आता है कि मिडफील्ड में कौन शुरुआत करेगा और हमारी अटैकिंग लाइन कैसे लगेगी. I feel we'll start with a 4-3-3 formation and as the game progresses, it could be 4-2-3-1, 4-2-2-2, like it could be anything by the end of the game and I'm pretty sure this is one of the things which we will see during the season. Slot starting with a particular formation, changing it in between and ending with maybe a completely different formation. Back 4 discuss कर लिया है. Gravenberch will be in the number 6 position. अब I feel personally Szoboszlai and Wirtz will start in the 8 and the 10 position and with Florian Wirtz having a more attacking role and Szoboszlai being the person जो कि defense के साथ भी help out कर सकता है. That is how I think we will start with. Left wing पे will be Cody Gakpo. Striker position पे I think we'll start with Hugo Ekitike and Egyptian King has to be on the right wing. So just to sum it up, I feel Alisson will start in goal, followed up with Bradley, Konate, Virgil and Kerkez. Gravenberch in the number 6 position, Szoboszlai, Wirtz, Salah Ekitike and Gakpo. I think that will be the first 11 of Arne Slot this season. It also depends on the tactics of Crystal Palace because देखा जाए तो they have been the bogey opposition for us. Like last year we played a 1-1 draw in the end of the season. उससे पहले बात करी जाए तो उन लोगों ने हमें होम पे 1-0 हराया था and that derailed our title campaign. So I just feel they will be starting with a low block, and because they have this front line of Macheta, Eze on this side, Sar on that side, so they will be constantly attacking those areas जो हम लोग अपने full backs को आगे push करके जो एरिया हम लोग उनके पीछे छोड़ेंगे, आई थिंक दे आर गोइंग टू अटैक ऑन दैट. एंड जब एक विंगर सार हो या एजे हो, वंस दे रीच दैट बॉक्स पोजीशन, either they're going to cut inside and go for the goal or hopefully pass it to Macheta in the hopes of scoring a goal. So अगर उनकी ये tactics है, that's why I feel कॉनर ब्रैडली का वहां होना, मिलोस कर्किस का वहां होना, knowing very well कि how attacking they are, साथ ही साथ का सोबोज़लाई को वहां पे रखना as the number 8 position with more of a defensive duty will be the perfect way to combat this Crystal Palace team, because even they've got pace, even we've got pace. But when we are attacking, when we are dominating, I can see the front line of ours, Salah, Ekitike and Gakpo being right near the opposition box. Kirkes may be overlapping, or maybe in that case Bradley might be overlapping. Florian Wirtz का role वहाँ पे in the number 10 position will become very critical to find that right pass, because low block teams को हराना is really difficult because they're mentally ready to absorb all the pressure and be defensively ready for those 90 minutes. So I feel Wirtz is going to play a critical role in the very first game he represents for us. और उसी के साथ साथ बात करें later in the game, I would love to see Ngamua. I always fumble taking his name. कोई ना, hopefully season जैसे चलता रहेगा, I'll be pro at it. Ngamua का आना, maybe replacing Gakpo in the later half or like in the later second half of the game would be one change that I would like to see. उसी के साथ साथ मैकैलिस्टर के minutes monitor करने पड़ेंगे because he has not had the perfect pre-season. So I think he's fit, but maybe not 90 minutes fit. So he will come into the game. Curtis Jones आ सकता है, Frimpong भी आ सकता है, because let's say when let's say again hypothetical situation, tight match चल रहा है, 60-70 minutes हो गए हैं, he can either replace Szoboszlai or maybe Connor Bradley. जब सारी क्रिस्टल पैलेस की जो फॉर्मेशन है, they've already settled into it, but उनका दिमाग और उनकी जो legs है, they are giving up, तब वो पेस का आना, and trust me when I say this, Frimpong is really fast, तब वो critical ability of Frimpong can be the decisive factor if it is a very tight edgy game. But the most important thing is I want every player on both sides, especially Liverpool side, to be injury free. मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि पहले मैच में किसी को एक बुरी इंजरी हो जाए और वो सीजन के लिए या फिर कुछ महीनों के लिए बाहर ही हो जाए. Like I would just want कि यार ठीक है, रिजल्ट जो भी आया, but at least every player who is traveling goes back in the best shape possible back to Liverpool. So injury free is my first priority. Of course, second priority has to be कि we get this victory, we get to lift the second trophy under Arne Slot, the first of this season, the first of this rebuilt Liverpool team, which is still under its rebuilding. If you've liked this video, please let me know by subscribing to my channel and of course liking this video. In the comment section, please let me know आपके हिसाब से पहली trophy of the season किसके पास जा रही है? Is it going to be Crystal Palace or Liverpool? Score predictions क्या होंगे वो भी बता देना. और उसी के साथ साथ amongst the new signings for Liverpool, आपके हिसाब से आप सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड देखने के लिए किसको हो? Is it Florian Wirtz? Is it Kirkes, Frimpong, maybe Ekitike, or maybe the super keeper? I hope this is going to be one of the most exciting Sundays across the season for Liverpool fans. The new Adidas jersey, the new signings, the fresh energy, the excitement, and I really hope we end up with Virgil van Dijk lifting the second trophy under his captaincy and for Arne Slot. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, see ya.